Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. We're going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is March 18, 2024. Let's get started. I'm going to focus on the 4-hour chart for this currency pair. And what we saw in trading here today was the price initially moved to the upside and then back down to the downside. Now, on the downside, the price low right here, you can see it here peaking below those blue lines. This solid blue line right here represents the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. The step blue line here represents the 100-day moving average. So the price fell below both the 100-day moving average and the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So sellers had their shot and they missed. The price started to move back above that level, and then over the last couple bars we've seen a rotation to the upside, with the price currently on the current 4-hour bar trading to a new session high only barely, and it looks like it hasn't been able to get above the high price from Friday's trade. So there is some limit to that. Also in play is this swing area through here, and on the break to the downside, we did break below the low of that swing area. That swing area is defined by a number of different swing highs, mostly through here, 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 here. Big ceiling area through here. Moved above the ceiling and tried to use it level as a floor here, but could not do that, and then moved back below it and started to use the level as a ceiling again through here, 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 and then moved above it, use it as a floor. You can see how this area right here is a point of reflection, deflection, even in last week's trading, although at the end of the week we traded above and below it, and trading here today we've traded above and below it. So it's sort of losing a little bit of its luster, but nevertheless I'm going to pay attention to that at 1.3526 up to 1.35428. And if we're able to get and stay above that level now, that would likely give buyers a little bit more confidence. Also, we're trying to move above the 50% retracement. That 50% retracement, I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit, is of the move down from this high going back to the end or beginning of November to the low price that we saw in December. 50% comes in at 135.378 in addition to this swing area. Getting above that level and staying above that level is more bullish. So perhaps usually if you're bullish on this pair, use the 135.37 level as a short-term support buying level or risk-defining level for this pair. If you want to be more conservative and you're bullish, then use the 100 bar moving averages below the 1.3524 level and roll the dice. Right now, the buyers are trying to take more control on the dollar versus Canada. We'll see if we can extend to the upside, and if we do, get away from this 50% and the high of the swing area, you could see further momentum in the direction of the break. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.